Hi everyone, welcome to the second chapter of Dovita Insight. If you are watching this, it means that you love the Dovita gowns and you want to carry them in your store. I'm proud to say that we have more than 200 stockists all around the world, and we would love to see you in this network as well. And here comes the big question: how to become a Dovita Bridal stockist? It's pretty simple actually, but let's go step by step to clarify everything. First step is obviously about contacting us. You can use all the communication channels you see here to reach us. But before you do this, we have a very important recommendation for you. Please check all our gowns because we have many different levels of lines. What's the best way to do this? To visit our website for sure. But if you say that you cannot be sure until you see them in person, then you are welcome to visit us during the fashion shows all around the world. By doing this, you will be sure about what's best for your store. When you reach out to Dovita Bridal, you will be forwarded to your personal sales manager immediately, whom you can reach 24/7. You will have an efficient series of conversations with your sales manager about color options, alterations, basically every single detail. By this way, you and your sales manager will finalize the order placement together. Step 2 is about one of the most wondered topics. What's the minimum quantity per order? Well, it's 5 dresses, the minimum quantity for Dovita Bridal. Because we believe if you want to represent the identity of a brand, you need to have at least 5 dresses from them. And here comes the step 3. It's about exclusivity. Will you have it? Yes. Once you start to carry Dovita Bridal dresses in your store, you will have exclusivity in your region. We have different exclusivity types. It can be for a province, for a city, or even for a whole country. And fourth step is about the lead time and how we deliver your dresses. Well, I'm proud to say that Dovita Bridal is one of the fastest companies, if not the fastest one, when it comes to production of bridal dresses. We are using full advantage of having all production under one roof, and by this way, we are able to deliver your dresses in 6 weeks maximum. And how we deliver them when they are ready? We have a contract with DHL. We will be delivering your dresses with them, and the good news is they have the fastest delivery network all around the world. However, if you have your own courier, we can change the shipment method upon your request. Lastly, fifth and most important step for us, it's post-delivery process. For us, the main job starts when you receive your dresses. Because we are not only B2B based company, we are also caring about your B2C relations. For this reason, we will be supporting you through our social media channels to keep the attention of brides in your store. We will also organize special promotions for your store. The most importantly, we will be asking monthly reports from your side, because the reaction of your brides is so important for us. To know this will allow us to provide the best support for your store. That's all everyone. I hope it clarified everything. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to contact with us. Thank you for watching. And remember, when you do business with Dovita Bridal, you don't only purchase dresses, you also guarantee the satisfaction of your brides.